I am recording, and I am recording. All right, so let me sit.
The key is also to get it going.
Yeah.
You have to put it in, you got to put your foot on the brake, do the hand brake, which is down there, push button in, pull forward, push in, and then hit D for drive.
I want the D. All right, you're gonna have to hold on to this.
Do that.
Is there a luggage compartment? Maybe in the front? No?
That's a charging port.
Okay, all right. Well, let me sit in it and make sure that my alignment is correct. Oh, dude, it's like all windshield. That's great. That view, fantastic. All right, get it on square. And I've got that. All right, so I'm gonna.
You can do a walk around first.
Yeah, I'm gonna close the door, do a walk around, and God, it's so cool. Okay.
You can come back a little. Push the button in the parking brake first.
What button?
Underneath the handle, push button in, pull towards you, push in. Okay, button hard.
Push button, pull.
Yeah, but I mean push button to let it release and then pull in and push forward. Like it's a tough button.
Okay, so push
Those
button.
directions to your left on the ground.
Oh, press foot brake. Press button firmly and pull handle towards you. Aha!
And now we can give it the D and don't get traffic. That's why there's no sound to this car, so the sound of this video may not be necessary.
Right. Are we clear? We are.
Car was backing up in front of you.
Yeah.
Foot to the floor.
Oh my God.
By the way, you do have a seatbelt back here.
What's the password?
I'll put neutral first.
Oh, okay.
So I can start complaining. 3141 enter.
Oops, sorry.